Hi everyone, it's Sue and welcome back to Discovering the Art of Living. Now if you're new to my channel, click on the subscribe button below as well as the bell icon to be notified when I upload new content. So this is part 4 of my 5-part series 5 for 5 and under, where I try to recreate my version of slightly overpriced Michael's Spring Decor for $5 and under. So if you missed the first 3, click on the link above and that will take you through the step-by-step process to make a version of your own. But before we get started with today's project, I need your help. I've started a little challenge with my Facebook group, which is also called Discovering the Art of Living, if you want to check out that Facebook page, where the first Wednesday of the month is going to be Wacky Wednesday, where I need you, my subscribers, to give me some ideas of 3 totally unrelated and possibly not even crafty items that I can turn into home decor. I like to get my creative juices flowing, so the wackier the idea, the better. For example, you might put down a toothbrush, some ribbon, and a pop bottle, and I'll have to use those 3 things to make a really pretty decor, and then you get to vote on whether I did a good job or not. So at the end of this video, in the comment section below, if you could write down your 3 unrelated items for suggestions, then tune in the first Wednesday of March to see what I come up with. So if you're ready to see my recreation of this overpriced Michael's item, let's get started. Now my version of this cute bunny pillow is a little bit different than the original one from Michael's, just because I was inspired by a few things I found at my local Dollar Tree. I found these really soft hand towels in a pretty beige color that kind of reminded me of bunny fur. And then, on the way out, I saw this really cute, white, fuzzy baby's hat that had 2 little pom-poms on that screamed, bunny rabbit. Some people say baby hat, I say bunny. It works. I also used some ribbon that I had on hand, but you could also get some from the Dollar Tree. And I printed out a couple of images that were similar to the ones on the pillow from the internet. So step 1 was to dismantle the baby hat. I just used a pair of scissors to cut the lining out and cut the pom-poms off. You could reuse the lining for something else, but I set the pom-poms aside for now. Then I took the fuzzy fabric and cut it so it would lay flat. Then I cut out my 2 images of my bunny, and using a marker or pencil you can trace them onto the back side of your fuzzy fabric and then cut out the bunnies. When you're done, you have 2 adorable bunnies and 2 big fluffy bunny tails. They are a little bit big, but I think it adds to the cuteness of the bunny rabbits. Now by all means, if you are a sewer, you can sew this pillow, but I made this one for my non-sewing friends, so you can use just hot glue to assemble the entire project, considering it is a decorative pillow and won't get a lot of wear and tear. So what I did was put my 2 towels with the nice fluffy sides together, lined them up so that they were perfectly aligned. Then I used hot glue to glue 3 of the sides. Now you can cut off the fringe so that you can reattach it later to the outside, or you can cut the fringe off completely if you don't want it. It's up to you. But make sure you leave one of the sides not glued together so that we can turn it inside out. Once you have 3 sides glued together, turn your pillow inside out, and then using your finger or the blunt end of a pencil, make sure you push the corners out so that it lays nice and flat. Now, I used some old stuffing that I had laying around, but you could also repurpose an old pillow that needs a new cover to stuff the middle of it, or you could even stuff it with old t-shirts if you're desperate enough. Choice is up to you. If you plan to reattach your fringe, now would be the time to use your hot glue and just tack it to the outside edge. Now take your hot glue and glue your bunnies on wherever you would like. Then use some more hot glue to glue on their fluffy little tails. Now, using some pretty spring Easter colored ribbon, tie some bows and glue them onto your bunnies to make them pretty for Easter. So there you have it, my $5 and under version of this cute, overpriced bunny pillow from Michaels. In the comment section below, let me know which version you liked better. And remember, also in the comment section below, to list the 3 unrelated items for my upcoming Wacky Wednesday challenge. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you next time on Discovering the Art of Living.